like, to you guys that probably was 30 seconds, to me that was like 10 minutes. So yeah, I made this, the jig that I had a couple of videos back where this Piaggio was on a stand. This is the same stand, but now I cut it up a little bit so it's more easily fitted to under the scooter, because scooters ain't enduro bikes, so the ground clearance isn't as high as a enduro bike. And I originally intended and made sure that this would fit to enduro bikes, because I had planned to make money on derby mopeds, and those are enduro. And because that shit never took off really, and it has been like 2 to 3 years of this stand, so yeah, now it has been repurposed and it's under the moped now. So yeah, it's now a scooter stand. So yeah, now I'm, as in the last vlog I said, I need to take off the carburetor. So today's vlog it's going to be taking off the carburetor.
I have found my springs. Here. What the fuck are they doing here? There! Like, what are the chances of finding it in there? And one of them were in that ice. So yeah, let's continue.
Now I need to remove just these 2 bottom screws, and then I can have access to the bottom of the carburetor bowl. This for now looks fine.
Yeah, the main jet blue you can see through, so that's fine. But the smaller is so small that I don't know, will it be, can I show it on camera, because it's such a tiny hole. Yeah, the idle jet looks also just fine. So yeah, I don't think the issue is in the carburetor, at least for now. The ball looks just fine. There isn't any debris inside of here. So yeah, I don't think the issue is inside of the carburetor. The issue is somewhere else, and I gotta find it where it is. And the carburetor from the front, or in any way, doesn't look to be dirty. So yeah, I don't see the reason why this carburetor wouldn't work. bottle there's, as you can see, a little bit of water, but I will test, see does this fuel look okay and does it have any water in it. I need to do this side. So I can get the bottle a little bit lower. Maybe a little bit to reach 2-stroke mixture, but other than that is gas smells just fine and looks fine. So yeah, I could almost drink this. It's a little bit frustrating to do some stuff that maybe isn't that much even broken. So yeah, let's try to crank this thing up and see what it says after I opened up the carburetor and saw nothing really out of the ordinary. So yeah, let's see what this thing says now. Yeah, the same. So yeah, the same issue continues, and yeah, I don't know what it is. Probably some electrical issue. I suspect that the engine still has compression because last time it did, and after just few like 100 kilometers, I don't think the engine has lost any compression. It's probably gained more. Not really, it says 2-stroke, so the rings anyway wear out faster than a 4-stroke, but anyway, that's not what I plan to talk about right now. So yeah, next episode I need to, from here, the seat front, to all the way to the rear light, take all of these fairings off and start tearing the engine again apart. Take the plastics off and see what the hell is going on. But if it's the stator or something expensive, I don't have the money to fix it like right away. But that gives me a unique opportunity to fix like this fender that is cracked in multiple places. In multiple places, and yeah. And I have I have this piece for it, for the fender made. Which way did it go? This way. So yeah, it fits almost perfectly. I need to fiberglass this in from the back, and this will hold itself up from like the fiberglass will hold it up. Then I will use some fiberglass filler to fill those huge gaps, and the front end I will just like take a saw and cut it out. And what's the best about this piece, that it originates from a originates from a also Italian scooter. So the plastic thickness is the same. So and the curvature is pretty much identical. Wait, which way? Yeah, this way. So yeah, if I put it like this, as you see, that's pretty good. So I need to fix this fender. These cracks I need to groove out so I can fill them up and they will be solid again. And then there's a mount here that's broken for a screw, and yeah, that's need to be fixed. Then I need to put like some screws where they're missing, and yeah, then I will sand down this headlight, buff it out, put some UV protection on it, and then this will look like new again. Because the EU stuff and all of that is inside of this headlight, not on top of it. So if I just sand this down like a smooth finish, nobody will know. Only me and you guys. But anybody outside of this circle, nobody will know. And this plastic piece is also cracked. So, my phone said that the phone battery is too low. But anyway, as you saw, there's a crack over here, and I need to also that fixed, groove it out, put some fiberglass filler, and then it will be good to go. And sand it down, of course, and it will be ready for the paint. I'm not probably going to paint that piece or that piece anytime soon, but when the time comes, it will be ready for it. So yeah, now I need to clean up a little bit of this stuff up and take this tripod inside, and then yeah, I will think about what I will do next in this video. But yeah, this is the main thing for today's vlog. It's the next day. As you guys see, I'm editing it, and I need to bring some sort of ending to this. Ending will be that I have some things to do, and the stator or the CDI, something electrical is probably gone wrong, because I today checked the compression was alright. So yeah, something electrical, wiring the stator or the CDI, something related to the ignition system. The spark was good, but spark was good, but if it's under pressure and it disappears, then that's a bad spark. Or it's a CDI problem, stator problem, I don't know. So yeah, that's problem for tomorrow, because time is 11:30 and I need to go to sleep. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of any more stator